How to get accepted to any affiliate network. Hey, you want to get accepted into affiliate networks, you've been having some issues, you're going to want to watch this video, because in this video I'm going to show you how to get accepted in these networks, why you get rejected, and how you can improve your odds. And we're starting right now. Hey, I'm JR Fisher. Thank you for visiting my channel. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. There's a button down there. If it's red, that means you need to click it, turn it gray. Once you do that and it turns gray, there's going to be a bell that's going to pop up just like this. You want to ring the bell, you want to turn on all notifications so that every time I do a new video you will be notified. You'll be part of the Fisher family, the VIP group that gets notified every time I go live and every time I do a new video. Also, I have a course down there. It's a $97 course, but for a limited time you can get it free. All you gotta do is click and learn. It's right below in the description down there. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up at the end. I would really appreciate it. And certainly give me a comment. Have you been working on these affiliate networks? Have you had some successes with them? So I'd like to hear, maybe you got some questions about that. Put that in the comment section below. Okay, so here's the picture. You decided you wanted to be an affiliate. Very cool, right? Cool. Saying I'm an affiliate marketer. You applied to some of these affiliate networks and crickets. Nothing happened. Nothing. And then all of a sudden you get a reply, and the reply says you're rejected. We did not accept you to our affiliate network. Now it could be that they want experienced affiliates, but that's kind of like a catch-22, right? You get out of school and you go to apply for a job and they say we only want people with experience. Well, how are you supposed to get experience until you get the job? It's like a catch-22. Now I got to tell you, affiliate networks in the beginning, they were a little bit edgy, but they've really cleaned themselves up. And by cleaning themselves up, what I mean is they monitor things more. They're more selective about who they allow to sell on the platform and who they allow as far as affiliates on the platform. Okay, so first let's talk about why you wouldn't get accepted on an affiliate network platform. Well, it could be just because of risk. Risk is a serious thing. There's a lot of fraud out there. There's a lot of scammers out there. I know a lot of people, we deal on ClickBank, and we've gotten a lot of affiliates who would actually steal credit cards. They would go in and they would buy one of our products on ClickBank. They would get their commission off it with a stolen credit card, and then later on we would get charged back because the person would see it on their bill and say, I never bought this product. And by the time that happens, they've left that account and moved on to another account on another platform. So nowadays these platforms are getting more and more strict. I know anytime I see that somebody has bought one of our courses and they've opted out of all email communications, it's a red flag. It's a red flag, because why would they do that? Okay, the only reason they would do that is because that person stole a credit card and they're making up a fake email address that doesn't even exist. Now the other thing they're looking out for now is over aggressive affiliates. So maybe you have a weight loss program, and maybe you know it helps you lose weight every month over the next year. Edgy affiliate out there, an aggressive one, could go out there and say, yeah, you're going to lose 20 pounds this week guaranteed, and they put that on your sales pages, and you can't back that stuff up, and that's over aggressive. And if somebody's over aggressive like that, they're going to end up getting you in trouble, not them. So let's take a second and let's see what you can do to increase your odds of getting approved on one of these affiliate networks. Now we're going to assume that you're a reputable person, that you only do white hat SEO, and that you're not going to do anything wrong. And while that may be true, the actual affiliates that have the product they don't know you. Okay, they don't know who you are, they don't know what you're about. So we've got to kind of convey that to them. First off, take the application seriously. When you're applying to an affiliate network, don't just put some random answers on there. If they say, how did you hear about us, don't say Google. What you want to do is you want to say, I first heard about you on YouTube. I watched some of your videos. I know you have a great weight loss product. I've seen some of your ads on Facebook. I've actually bought one of your products and it worked really well, and I'd like to be an affiliate. Okay, that would be a proper answer. Number two, be specific with your answers. Now many affiliate networks will ask you, where are you going to promote this? And if you just put pay-per-click, or if you just put Google and whatever else social media I can find, they're not going to like that a whole lot. You need to be more specific. You could say something like, you know, I concentrate on lead generation for the survival industry. My budget is $30,000 a month on ads, or whatever your budget is. You don't have to say how much your budget is, but just say, you know, I run ads every single week on Facebook and YouTube, and I've got a big list built up, and I also want to market to the list I already have. That would be a more acceptable answer. And number three, you want to convey your strengths. What are your strengths? You know, if you're selling, let's say you want to sell our survival food, you could say I've been in the survival industry for, you know, 5 years. I have a survival blog. I have 30,000 people a month that come to my survival blog. I also sell products for this brand, and this brand, and I wanted to add yours to our book of business. That's a more acceptable way to answer that question. Number four, use references. If you already are an affiliate and you're already successful at doing this, list those people that you're already selling for. Share with them the successes you've had, the amount of volume you've done, and even offer names and phone numbers and emails so that these people could get in touch with your current references. Number five, go a little bit further. Call them up and say, hey, I just applied, you know, to be an affiliate for your product or an affiliate for a network, and I wanted to let you know a little bit about me and see if you had any questions you wanted to ask me, because I'm really excited about promoting your products. That way you've already had that personal contact with them. Number six, use a stepping stone. So if you're trying to get on one of the largest affiliate networks on the internet, that may be a little bit difficult, but if you start with a smaller affiliate network where maybe they don't require that you sell $5,000 a month or $10,000 a month, maybe the requirement's only, you know, a couple $100 a week, start there and build up your book of business, and you'll also have some proof that you can actually sell products. Now let's look at this. You are the affiliate marketer, but there's also the other side, which is the person with the product. Understand their situations, you know, look at their pain points, list some of the things that they may have come up against. You know, I know one of our big pain points is that people use scammy credit cards, and they've stolen credit card numbers and all that. So if somebody were to write to me and say, hey, we've been around for a long time, we have a really good reputation, this is our website, you know, this is why we want to be an affiliate for your company, I'm going to be more apt to want to have that person as an affiliate than somebody I don't even know. So the important thing is understand where everybody's coming from. That affiliate network wants to protect their base of sellers, okay, their base of products, and the only way they're going to do that is they're going to be more selective about who they let in. You as an affiliate marketer want to sell good products, okay, it goes your way too. So you may want to go in there and look at that actual product. You may want to Google that product. You want to see if, you know, there's been a lot of complaints on that product, if there's a lot of refunds on that product. You as an affiliate may not want to sell that product, but you're not going to know that if you don't do some research. I think too many people don't go in depth enough when they look at products that they're going to sell. They just think, well, there's another product, I can sell it. What if that person who sells the product is not delivering on it? I know we sell survival food, and we always deliver on it. We don't have any refunds, we don't have any problems. If there's delays because of a pandemic, you know, we let people know that. We answer all of our messages that come into the company every single day. We don't wait. So that's the kind of company you'd want to deal with. But maybe somebody is, you know, selling a product, like I bought a product the other day and it was a digital product and it didn't work, and when I went in to use the digital product, they wanted to upsell me to something that cost 3 times as much, and the beginning product didn't work. So I actually went to PayPal and said, hey, I want my money back. You know, this is why I want my money back. This product doesn't work. PayPal said, hey, we've got to wait 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever, give them a chance to respond. And the company never ever responded, and I got my money back. But they didn't even respond to complaints about their product. So is that a product that you want to sell? Probably not. Now, I wasn't an affiliate for that product. I was a person who actually purchased that product, but that let me know what kind of company it was too. You also want to look, how long has that product been out there? There's a lot of products that come out and they do great, they sell really well, and they're a big boom, but you know, later on there's problems with that product. You know, I'm thinking back to a car company I just read about the other day called Nikola, and they supposedly had a truck that was going to compete with the Tesla truck, and they showed the truck going down the road real fast. It looked really cool, looked really sleek, really neat, and for 10 years they have been in development. They took $2 billion from GM, and as it turns out, that truck that was going down the road, zooming down the road, was actually a truck with no engine in it, no motor, because they don't have a prototype, and they had put it on top of a hill and let it roll down the hill and then turn the video so that it looked flat. They got busted on this. Their stock has dropped and plummeted tremendously. Now I'm not saying that this company's a fraud or anything, I'm just telling you what I saw in the news. But bottom line is, stuff like that can really change if you want to sell a product or not. How reputable are they? How long have they been around? Do they make their customers happy? You know, our survival food company's been around for 10 years now, and we've made a lot of people happy. We've taken care of people. If somebody's not happy, we take care of them. So an affiliate doesn't have to worry that, you know, they're going to send traffic to my site and then people are going to get upset and come back on them. That just won't happen. So I hope you understand this affiliate thing a little bit better. It can be real frustrating if you don't understand it. You may still have questions, and if you do, put those in the comments below. I'll be happy to address those. I'm on both sides of it because I have products and I have affiliates that sell them, and I also am an affiliate and I sell other people's products, whether it's software or survival products or whatever. So, you know, I'm on both sides of that. So if you have questions, I could probably help you out. I have several affiliate networks that I like to deal with, like Share a Sale or ClickBank, but you may have some other suggestions. You're welcome to put them in the comments below. Don't forget, if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe, and when you subscribe, you want to turn on all bell notifications. Okay, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so that you are notified every single time I do a video. Don't miss out. No, don't miss out on the free course that's down there. It's a $97 course, but you can get it absolutely free. It's a click and learn course, so go ahead and grab that now. Thank you so much for listening to this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.